Жаңа жылдык mana? Бишкек. Алматика көчөсү.
Алай.
Шаардыктардын маанайын көтөрүү максатында.
Standing on the corner, must be selling crack of weed. I was sitting in a penitentiary. He was just trying to get money for his kids to eat. Yeah, so his kids can eat. Yo, check it. He was walking home with his hoodie low, talking on the phone with some Skittles in Arizona. He did nothing wrong, he was just walking home. Now he'll never make it home. Yo, he was selling loose, it's probably illegal, but it wasn't murder. But he was murdered, saying he couldn't breathe, but cigarettes wasn't the reason. Now was it? Think about it, yo, check it. He was facing life in prison, now he's facing death. He just wanted to be rich, he ain't plan on being a rap, but he wasn't, he could never turn back. He was just a
Молодцы,
rap.
пацаны.
So many loopholes in the system, and we all take advantage of it. But if the disenfranchised are doing anything, it's a different story, right?
Рахмат.
Tell me if I'm lying, yo, drop it. Asking for a change is the first step, but it ain't enough, we gotta be active, that's the next step. Look, I have a dream, it will change one day. I have a dream, it will change one day. We all want everyone to stand up to take the risk, but we can't do it if every one of us is gonna sit. I have a dream, it will change one day. I have a dream, it will change one day. United forces can probably get us far, but it's hard when opposing forces have hate in their heart. I have a dream, it will change one day. I have a dream, it will change one day. Many people have said this before, but I guess I'm up next. Martin Luther King probably summed it up the best. I have a dream, it will change one day. I have a dream, it will change one day. I don't know how after all this history we still inherit the trait of hate. I thought diversity and immigrants was what made America great. Hold up. You run that back? I don't know how after all this history we still inherit the trait of hate. I thought diversity and immigrants is what made America great. But I'm just going by what I learned. So if I'm wrong, then who made the mistake? It's a vital part of history. That's something that we can't erase. A pinpoint in one particular group won't help. It's a waste. We are all victims and perpetrators. We all have to take the blame. And the reality, it's a shame. It's a shame. Cause now the earth is attacking us and we all need to be saved. We all need to be saved. I'm just saying. I'm tired of living in fear. I don't want to live or die this way. But at this point, maybe it's the risk I must be willing to take. For my wife, my siblings, my mothers, and my auntie's sake. Yeah.
Молодец.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Барыга молодец.
You gotta do what you gotta do.